Hey, hi everyone, welcome to another video. So today we are going to discuss about some of the TradingView tools that we have, like Pitchfork, Skiff Pitchfork, modified Skiff Pitchfork inside a Pitchfork, and how these Pitchfork tools can be used in trading at both intraday swing and positional trading. We'll go through some of the specific examples that these Pitchfork indicators can be used. Okay, so that's the topic for today. The first thing is this pitchfork variants. There's one called Andrews pitchfork. This inventor is Dr. Alan Andrews. In 1960, he has invented this Andrew pitchfork. So what? How do you need to construct this pitchfork? Is pick swing points A, B, and C, which is low, high, and then low. So you need to, for an uptrend, you need to pick low, high, and low, and for a downtrend, high, low, and high. So this is how you pick the swing points. Then this pitchfork will draw lines, median lines. It will draw from A through midpoint of BC, and then it will draw a median line, and upper lines it will draw, and lower lines also it will draw. The principle is basically, price gravitates towards the median, and 80% of the time the price gravitates towards the median, and this upper lines and lower lines acts as dynamic support and resistance. So that is the basic thing, that taking the low, high, and low in an uptrend, and then drawing these pitchfork lines, and price basically gravitating towards the median 80% of the time, and upper and lower lines acting as a support and resistance. Okay, so let's see this pitchfork in action. So let's go to the charts. So if you want to find pitchfork, you need to go to this here, and here you'll have this pitchfork, skiff pitchfork, modified skiff pitchfork, and inside pitchfork. So these are all the four tools that are given in TradingView. So let's use the pitchfork. Okay, so this is the top of the swing. Okay, so high, and then low here. Okay, and then high. So this is the high again. So this is how you need to use this pitchfork. Okay, so this is the high. So what it says is, you mark the high, low, and high. Then it tells you that the price will gravitate towards the median. So this middle line is the median, and this top and the bottom ones are resistance and support. They act as support and resistance. So as you see, the price did gravitate towards the median, and then took resistance here, and again it comes towards the resistance line, and yeah, once it breaks this resistance line, you can take a uptrend direction. Okay, but it does gravitate towards the median. So this is the downtrend. We have did a pitchfork, and an uptrend. If you want to do the same pitchfork, so this is the low, this is the high, and this is the low, right? So price will gravitate towards the median. So if you see, it went here and gravitated towards here. Okay, and it took a resistance exactly here and came here. Okay, and so you can it helps you to identify the range and mean reversion or median reversion here. So median reversion you could play, and resistance also you could use, that will be downward movement. So that sort of things you can do with this Andrews pitchfork. So next thing is skiff pitchfork. So this adjustment in this pitchfork is, the central handle is repositioned to the midpoint between A and BC midpoint. Okay, so there, we are putting low, and then high, and then low, right? So here you'll put low, same A, but the central handle is between B and C. So the midpoint you will keep between B and C here. And what does it help us? It helps, this fits the sideways and choppy trends, where Andrews may be too steep or flat. So it will help you in choppy trends, this skiff pitchfork. So let's see the skiff pitchfork. Okay, skiff pitchfork. If you see, so this is a skiff pitchfork. So pitchfork we have, skiff pitchfork we have. So this is the one. So B and C is this and this, right? So somewhere here we'll keep in between, and then we will So probably like this, if we do, right. So price will gravitate towards the median, and if it breaks, then that's a breakout trade. It takes resistance, so you could take resistance trades also. So A and B and C, right? So in between we have put the handle, and again same price will gravitate towards the median, and the upper and the lower lines act as support and resistance. Okay, so then we have modified skiff pitchfork. This is moves origin 50% along both x and y axis towards point C. Okay, yields a moderate slope between Andrews and skiff versions. This is ideal for balanced trend channels, offering improved support and resistance alignment. So origin is moved 50% along x and y towards point C. So A, B, C, right? So origin, which is this A, is moved 50% both x and y towards point C. So let's see how that helps. So we went through pitchfork, skiff pitchfork, and then this modified skiff pitchfork is there. Okay, so this is A. This is A, right? A, B, and C, right? What we need to do is this A should be moved both along the x-axis and the y-axis 50%. So 50% of this is somewhere here. We can keep this, right? Yeah. So this is how it will form. Then same principle again. Price will gravitate towards the median, and this will act as support and resistance and support. Where you can take support, you can take a buy trade. Resistance, you can take a sell trade. In the median, if it's breaking the median, you can take a sell trade or a buy trade accordingly. Okay. So this is the modified skiff pitchfork. And there is something called as inside pitchfork. So this is a distinct setup. Anchor points are within a large pitchfork channel. Often midpoint references includes multiple internal trend lines, captures minor trends and consolidations within a broader movement. Great for breakout or fade strategies. So this is like you already drew a large pitchfork channel. Within that you want to identify some internal trends. Then you can use this inside pitchfork. Okay, so let us see the inside pitchfork. This is the inside pitchfork. Okay, so here, here, and here. Yeah. So if you drew the pitchfork in monthly time frame, and now you came to the daily time frame and drew this, so that would be like an inside pitchfork. Same principle again. Price gravitates toward the median. These will act as support and resistance. So what are the trading strategies by time frame? Intraday, you can do mean reversion. So buy near the lower line of the median. So you have this two top resistance lines, one median line and two support lines, right? So you buy near the lower line of the median. Okay, so once it touches this lower support line, you buy there, or you sell at the upper resistance line. And confirmation use candlestick reversal, RSI, or any indicator. Breakout trades also you could take. So mean reversion trades we can do. Breakout trades also we can take. Price breaks upper or below lower line. So that upper resistance line, if it breaks, then you can take a trade in that direction of the break and confirm that with volume. Similarly, lower line it breaks, then you take a direction in that confirm with volume. Variant selection, use skiff modified skiff for flattening trades, and inside pitchfork for tighter setups within consolidation. Within consolidation, if you want to trade this up low, up low, up low, then you can use this inside pitchfork. So whenever resistance comes, you sell it. Whenever support it comes, you buy it in a consolidation phase. Okay. Swing trading, so capture bounces of median. So once the price comes to the median, the middle line, okay, and on a daily or 4 hour charts, you once the bounce is appeared, you can take a trade that it will go up. Use inside pitchfork nested in a large channel for staged entries. Yeah, so you can use inside pitchfork also at a lower time frame to exactly find the entries. Skiff and modified variants offer a better fit to multi-week trends. Okay. Positional trading, trade on interactions with median lines over weeks to months. Okay. So once it comes to the median line, if it takes support and it goes up, then you take a buy trade. If it breaks it, take a sell trade. Use Andrews or Skiff pitches for identifying long-term support and resistance lines. If the resistance also, you can take, like, once the price hit the resistance, then it formed a red candle, then you can take a mean reversion trade there. A breakout trade if it breaks that. Okay, so monitor breakouts as early signals of trend shifts. Enter with confirmation. Okay, so that's the thing. Sample strategies: select swing points A, B, C. It's like we did A, B, C. We have selected and we have overlaid the pitchfork. We have did the standard one shift pitchforks and monitor the prices. Okay, the price action. Enter with stop loss beyond the fork line. So if it comes to the resistance, if it took resistance and red candle form, you take a mean reversion trade. If it bounces off the support, you take a buy trade. Okay, and if it broke out the resistance, you can take a breakout trade. After retest, you can take confirm it with RSI MACD volume and targets. If you're taking at the lower support line buy trade, the target would be the upper resistance line or the median line at least. So that's how we can use it. And stop loss will be beyond the pivot or the fork line. Use cases are Australian dollar, US dollar, price bounces of modified skiff median, and it's supported by RSI oversold, ideal long entry. So price basically came to the median and a red candle, green candle formed. Then a long entry is taken. Swing Euro and USD, standard Andrews fan supports at median line multiple times. Trend following entries. So price went here, came there, and then went up. So yeah, you will take a trade here, a trend continuation trade. Positional USD Japanese yen inside fork nest within Andrews captures consolidation. Yeah, so this inside fork captures consolidation. Breakout of inside upper line signals continuation of border trend. Okay, so inside skiff, if you maintain the support and resistance lines, generally during consolidation, resistance sell, support buys, resistance sell buy. But if it breaks, then that's a trend continuation or a breakout trade we can take. Summary is Andrews Pitchfork's strong 10 trends. It's best fit for, and mean reversion you can trade, breakout or continuation trades you could do. Skiff Pitchfork sideways or flat trends better fit. Clear support and resistance is there. Buy at the support and sell at the resistance you could do. Modified Skiff Pitchfork balanced trending markets, optimal for medium trends. Inside Pitchfork is nested internal consolidation is there. There you could do tight entry and reversal trades within a broader channel. So that's the Pitchfork, and key takeaways are, we can use multiple Pitchfork types for trading, mean reversion as well as the trend continuation and support and resistance trades with confirmation tools like RSI, MACD, and with a defined stop loss and target. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks everyone for joining the call. Have a nice day.